US 23 headed towards Coal Run Village. That's in Pike County, Kentucky. It's right now 9 o'clock. I just passed a couple snow plows heading the other way. These roads are treacherous tonight. It's insane how much snow is coming down right now. It's kind of making it hard to tell where the edge of the road is. Yeah, this is insane. If you guys don't have to be out on the roads, if you're caught out in this, just be careful. If you don't have to be out in this, don't be out on these roads. They are absolutely dangerous right now.